What is parental child alienation, also known as child alienation, and how do courts deal with parental alienation? Parental alienation is a complex and sensitive subject. It's when one parent tries to sabotage the child's relationship with the other parent by psychologically manipulating the child. This is usually done by thwarting the agreement between the child and the other parent, encouraging the child to fear or act aggressively towards the other parent. In some extreme cases, one parent even makes false allegations of sexual abuse against the other to permanently prevent them from having any link with the child that can take months or even years to get resolved. Can parental alienation harm the child? A parent's separation is a devastating experience for a child that can cause some major emotional breakdown. The intensity of breakdown is different for everyone, and can manifest itself through a variety of emotions including anger, withdrawal, skiving, and emotional breakdowns. Studies have shown that adult behavior highly influences the feelings and reactions of children. When parents misuse their parental authority by alienating one parent from the child's life, it can cause grave emotional damage to the child. Can there be justified reasons why the child is rejecting the other parent? What is appropriate justified rejection? When the child has been harmed, or scared by the parent as a result of harmful parenting, and refuses to spend time with the parent. It may include domestic abuse, substance misuse, or neglect. Affinity, alignment. It's when the child doesn't harbor any negative feelings for the alienated parent, and just prefers to spend the time with one parent. This behavior is a result of alignment that may develop before, during, or after the separation because of other parent's absence. Attachment. Refusing, or resisting spending time with the parent due to attachment reasons, for example, separation anxiety, or age, or gender-appropriate behaviors. Harmful conflict. When the parents don't put the child's needs first and it becomes harmful to the child, they refuse or resist spending time with that parent. Behaviors that can be harmful to the child, and led towards the harmful conflict may include psychological issues, neglect, and coercive parenting. How family courts in England deal with parental alienation. Parental alienation has become common in child custody cases that can have a long-term impact on a family. There's been some debate about the impact it has on the child's mental and emotional state, with both public and professional raising concerns. If you think your child has been alienated against you, seek legal advice from a family and child law solicitor immediately. If the child's alienation is severe, consider making an urgent application to the court, and let them determine whom the child should spend time with. Once your application will make it to the court, the Children and Family Court Advisory and Support Service will intervene and speak to you regarding your concerns. They'll also investigate the accused parent based on your allegations, and recommend the further steps in your case to the court. CAFCAS is highly skilled in handling child disputes. The CAFCAS professionals, social workers, and the court will decide whether the allegations are true or not, or is it a deliberate effort to turn the child against the accused parent. While making a verdict, they'll consider whether the child's wishes and feelings should be taken into consideration as to whom the child should live with, or what sort of contact the child should establish with the alienated parent. However, if the professionals feel any doubts after meeting the child and parents, they can cease the custody of the child from the resident parent, and move them into alienated parent care. CAFCAS has developed a specific guideline available now, known as the Child Impact Assessment Framework, CIAF, to effectively deal with parental and child alienation issues. If you need help in family law and child law matters, feel free to contact our family law specialist at Court Help Limited by visiting us at www.courthelpltd.co.uk or www.incourt.co.uk, or call 073 75 75 7510. Email us at help@incourt.co.uk.